Hello, welcome to Learning English. Today we are going to be learning some questions. Where are you going? I'm going to school. Can you jump? Yes, I can jump high. Where are you? We are in a park. What are you eating? I am eating my dinner. Are you okay? Yes, I am okay. Are you singing? Yes, I am singing a song. What are you drawing? I am drawing a cat. What are you doing? I am playing with my doll. Can you run fast? I can run very fast. What are you reading? I am reading a book. Who are you helping? I'm helping my friend. What are you doing? I am cooking. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Are you listening? Yes, I am listening. Are you dancing? Yes, we are dancing. What are you writing? I am writing a story. Can you hear me? Yes, I can hear you. What are you painting? I am painting a picture. Can you climb a tree? Yes, I can climb a tree. Who are you calling? I am calling my friend. Why are you laughing? It was a funny joke. What are you buying? I am buying clothes. Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can ride a bike. Where are you sleeping? I am sleeping on my bed. Are you washing your hands? Yes, I am washing my hands. What are you planting? I am planting a plant. What are you drinking? I am drinking water. What are you finding? I'm finding my shoes. What are you playing? I am playing the piano. What are you making? I am making cookies. What are you making? I am making tea. Are you studying? Yes, I am studying. What are you planting? I am planting flowers. Can you tie your shoelaces? Yes, I can tie my shoelaces. Are you brushing your teeth? Yes, I am brushing my teeth. Are you cleaning the house? Yes, I am cleaning the house. Can you solve this puzzle? Yes, I can solve this puzzle. Are you ironing clothes? Yes, I am ironing clothes. What are you packing? I am packing my bag. What are you writing? I am writing my name. Are you playing soccer? Yes, I am playing soccer. Can you read this book? Yes, I can read this book. Are you colouring a picture? Yes, I am colouring a picture.